Hi, my name is Tanya, and I work at a skincare center that is actually located inside of a plastic surgeon's office. My responsibilities generally are to assess a patient's skincare, to listen to their needs, see how they want to improve their skin, and then my job from there is really to teach them and educate them on certain kind of skincare products, mainly medical grade, and different kind of procedures that we can do in office that possibly can help them get their or achieve their wishes. On a typical day, generally I have anywhere from about 6 to 7 patients or clients, and generally I will do different things like facials. We have different kind of facials. We also will do chemical peels if someone has a lot of acne that they're wanting to clear up, or if someone has hyperpigmentation, which are sunspots. If they have severe hyperpigmentation, we do have lasers that we offer to where we can do a series of laser treatments. Within that's when the patient comes in and we will literally laser all over the face. We also offer a couple of different procedures like microneedling. That's one of the newest and the latest. That's generally in a roundabout way, other than educating on products, what the duty of an esthetician would be. One of the biggest things that could cause stress in this kind of a job would possibly be just having demanding patients, having clients who come in who have unrealistic expectations. Therefore, you give them a variety of different options as far as products and things like that to use, and they don't use them. And then they come back and they complain about, why don't I see a difference in my skin? Or the only other thing that I could possibly think about would be if you had a problem with time management. You definitely have to learn how to use your time wisely in your treatments. Everybody's skin conditions and problems are so different. So you just have to learn how to manage that time and not run behind, because that definitely will cause stress. Work hours generally are about, I would say, generally you start at 9 o'clock and you work until about 5 o'clock. I personally work about 32 hours a week. One thing that is nice about this kind of job is generally if you do work off commission or you're commission based, sometimes you can create your own schedule. To become an esthetician, you have to complete an advanced skincare program, generally going to school anywhere from about a year to a year and a half. To thrive as an esthetician, you really should be good at communicating with others. This job definitely takes a lot of you educating clients, talking with them, listening to their needs. So definitely communication skills are important. Secondly, I would definitely say if you have any kind of skills as far as selling, that's really important, because your main job is also going to be, or you're required to, or held accountable to, definitely sell generally a portion or a percentage of skincare products. The best part of being an esthetician is really making a difference in people's lives. It might sound silly sometimes, but definitely making a woman feel better about herself. It's more of a gift to see that change in them. To see them go from somewhere of not having great skin, feeling horrible about themselves, or having horrible acne, and then correcting that and them just feeling so much better about themselves. The worst part would possibly be, I would say definitely, if you're not comfortable with blood, pus, if you have a weak stomach to smells, things of that nature, then that would probably be the worst part for this. My final advice for someone who's thinking about becoming an esthetician or interested in that kind of a job would be to definitely realize that after you graduate and you obtain your license, it really takes a lot of work before you reap the benefits of being an esthetician. Generally, you have to obtain a client base, and sometimes that takes up to 2 years. If you are interested in becoming an esthetician, possibly seeking to find an esthetician or someone that your mother goes to who does her skincare or something of that sort, and ask if they could possibly allow you to shadow for a day. Definitely seeing what it's like hands-on is really beneficial, so then you'll know if that's something that you would be interested in.